Well, who I know, Paul, is well, so the video is going to be an internet sensation, or I don't know if I call her dancehall artist, but I don't know Queen Lady Gangsta, and I have a whole heap of catching up for do. Anyway, Queenie posted a video of her fiance Dewey going on him head top, and Instagram went wild, and then Queenie went off. I'm gonna play out the video them face so it go. But Queenie, if you know by now, say yes, she free for do what she want, but on everything she for post, you know. Prevent better than cure, and just not hear people out, just not post certain things. Anyway, so the video them here. So want to think in the comment.
I want to do that. May I do that when I'm done? Watch. Alright, like how I saw earth and got it, so I put up the way I want pan them head and I can beat me and bumper pussy clock the way. Many I call and few are chosen, and there's many more in the world for come down to down 9 years bumper clock talk. Maybe eat lick up my coconut. And I come call the way and I come tell the way what kind of bumper clock, pussy clock, I feel body, anything I want in there with him body, I like it. I want to post it, because it wasn't an improper. When I know the bumper clock exercise on the go on the head, what that is. When you, the last time I put up the way, calm down Queen, stop short. The last time I put up the way in the pool, I want to make one bumper blood clot. A whole heap of Batman in the world, Scottyman and Latiman, all different kind of man in the world. And them now go upon them head, and them now exercise. Me and my man in the house are playing, them go upon them blood clot, and I like it, I'm post it. One thing I can do. Make me hide. And I ball, you know. I wash my face with the soap on my face, my eye red. So no dumb bumper clock get this twisted. So now I walk as sus, but Queen, you should know better than that on social media. All when me not put nothing upon social blood clot media and find something, so I'm giving her something to take on my back broad. Is one I want to take back the ring? I don't want to take back the onstage interview. I don't want to take back the jump level of I can't take it back. Next, what is coming next? Many are call are few are fucking chosen and fuck off and leave me. Do it! All if they want bomber clot victim, don't go up there with their life goes on. Who want to chat about Batman, Scattyman, and move on a blood clot? The whole on a cousin, uncle, auntie, mix up in all different kind of bomber clot. None of them can come here to come judge me. Now blood clot, do because we know what we's about. You know, fuck off. What is like? Eat your jelly queen. And go. No, Tilly pot never drop out. Uno never see no pussy tongue and walk on red carpet, but don't mind Uno. Uno nah because the board no chat me and the stronger me get. And do it, me sorry to your family them I can't cope with it. But I don't give a fuck for me. Me not give a fuck cause it's sweet man. I like when you move up your body. Yes. And that me love why I put it up. Uno fuck off.